Alright guys, today I have a challenge lock. Creeper, pinned up by Bearsback. Words don't always want to come out. So I recently traded some locks with him. He sent me a whole lot of locks. And you know, I saw his channel, watched his videos, we exchanged emails. I thought I made a new friend. Then he goes and sends me a lock with a key like that. I mean, whew. Thought I made a friend, maybe I made an enemy. That's a pretty nasty key. I mean, I'm obviously joking, but seriously, that is a wicked looking key. It's on a secure it cylinder, and the key is a little rough. You have to find, there you go. It's very smooth, but you have to insert it just the right amount. Any more and any less, and the lock won't work. So, for this, because it's a Yale keyway, I like to use bottom of the keyway tension. If I can get that in there. I'm going to use my 50 thousandths short hook from the Praxis. Let's see. See if I can open this up for you. I have opened this lock before. I wanted to make sure that it worked, even though that key is so radical. Okay, a little bit of a false set there. So I have opened this up, not while recording it, just on my own. Some people will try a lock for the first time on camera. I'm not that brave. I'm probably not as proficient as they are, but alright, you see that? That is a very deep false set. So, yeah, I have practiced on this lock before. Let's see. Okay, I'm getting some counter. I don't feel like I was quite on it, and I was just going to overset something. I'll try again. I didn't hear a click. I may have said that though, I'm not sure. I'll go through and check everything. Okay, got a little click off of 2. I think that was 4. Same situation we were just in, where I get the counter rotation, but I think it's on that really low one on the key. I haven't lost my false set, it's just not as deep as it was. Okay, dropped into that very deep false set once again. Okay, I think I heard a few things drop. I do think I said it though. Oh, yep. There we go. Lock is open. That was the creeper. Get that out of the way. Change the angle of my camera. We do have a key, but it's a little finicky, so I'm going to try and move the circlip without locking it up. We'll see if I can do that. Maybe I can, who knows. Aha. I'm actually surprised that worked. So, easy fix. Actually, the core is sliding out a little bit. Thought it was an easy fix. Maybe need something a little bit thicker than 15 thousandths. Try 23 thousandths. Oh no! What have I done? You know, I'm going to put the circlip on once again, just so I don't accidentally remove the whole core. Okay, so the circlip's on. I'm going to slide it around though. Alright, well that was very unfortunate. That should work, right? Okay, there we go. There we go. Try once more to remove the circlip. This time I'm going to try not to rotate it 180 degrees. If this lock would cooperate. Come on. There we go. Okay. I'm not sure if I could even fit a shim in there. I should probably try. Who knows if it'll work or not, but come on. There we go. I'm gonna try to, you see how it has a lip right there? So I'm gonna have to try and slide that through the lip. I don't know if that'll work. Yeah, I will chance it. Okay, here's our core. Seen a few modifications. The anti-drill rods were removed. You can see that number 5, you just barely had to lift it. Any more than that and you'd overset it. Alright, number 1. Torpedo. Same with 2. Same with 3. Same with 4. Same with 5. And same with 6. I have opened other Secure-It cylinders on this channel, and these are all the driver pins that I saw in mine. I think those are all commercial. They don't look homemade, so. And then in the core, I'm seeing counter milling, I think, in 3, 4, and 6. Nothing in 1, 2, and 5. So let's check what we have up here. Number 6, commercial spool. And a pretty long spring. Whoa, where did that just run away to? Oh, right there. Number 5. A T-pin, double-sided. Number 4. Focus on that. That looks either homemade or has something on it. But it's a double spool. Same spring. So far this is looking similar to the other secure that I opened on this channel. I should probably make a challenge lock out of mine because they already come with amazing pins. Yep. Number 1, that is a pin in pin. I'll show you a close-up of that later. It's probably going to have the double spring. Yep, sure enough. Number 2, another one of those T-pins, excuse me. Same spring. And number 3, oh sorry, I'll do it where you can see it. Double spool, and it's probably the same spring. All right. See if there's any modifications to here. I don't think so. Yeah. Not that I can see. So, what we were dealing with, if you'll allow me to zoom in. All the drivers, key pins. Well, if it would quit rolling away, are these beautiful torpedoes. Some are short, some are long, but they're all the same. Then in one, you had this hollow outer pin with a thin inner pin that goes in it. Unlike in multi-locks, there's nothing to prevent this from sliding all the way through. I just switched a spring. I really do like how it has a thin spring inside of the larger spring though. So that way that small inner pin is under spring tension as well. I think that is brilliant. Number 2 and number 5 are these double-sided T-pins. Number 3 and number 4. Man, these tweezers are having a hard time. These beautiful double spools. And then number 6 is a very thin spool. The springs are all the same except for the one in number 1. Alright, that was the Creeper with this nasty key. If you have any questions, please leave them below. If you like what you saw, please subscribe, and thank you very much for watching.